Hey, what's going on, guys? If you have any sort of car business, if you do detailing, if you do auto repair, you're a mechanic, or you do vinyl wraps, whatever you do in the car industry, you need to use this credit card reader to take payments from your customers. If you've been looking or you're already using another credit card reader from, say, Square or Bank of America or Wells Fargo, you know that you have to pay 2.6% plus 10 cents a transaction. So just for rough numbers, we'll say it's about 3%. So say your business does $30,000 per month in sales just by doing, auto repair, detailing, vinyl wraps at your car business. You are gonna pay 3%, and that actually comes out to $900 that you're paying to Square, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. So at the end of the month, you are only left with $29,100. But with this credit card reader right here and with the processing that's connected with this credit card reader, if you do $30,000 in sales at your business, you pay $0 in credit card processing fees. So that means at the end of the month, you keep all $30,000, and that $30,000 goes into your bank account. Nobody's gonna pull money out at the end of the month. So let me show you exactly how you're gonna save all of that money in credit card processing fees. So this is the terminal itself. So if you get a new job, so say somebody comes into your business, you do the job, and then at the end, you have to, collect payments from your customers. So say you did a detailing job for a customer. Okay, so you did detailing, and say the price that you charge, it was a pretty deep detailing job, is $300, right? And then you can go ahead and input the customer's name. So in this example, we'll use my name, Chad. Okay, so we're gonna save that job and we're gonna click on it. It's gonna add it to our cart. So we're gonna click there, and the tax is also included in that job as well. So you don't have to worry about, paying the tax out of your own pocket. It's actually accounted for right here. All right, so the next thing we have to do is just go ahead and click on pay. So our customer is gonna pay, and this is the reason why this is the best credit card reader for your auto business, is because if you look up here, there's actually two prices here. There's a cash price and there's actually a card price. So your customer either has the option to A, pay with cash, or B, pay with a credit card, debit card, smartphone, or Apple Watch. But if they pay with those payments right here, they now have to pay the credit card processing fee instead of you paying that processing fee out of your own pocket. So with A, if they pay with cash, you get the full amount, say the $300 plus, tax, right? But if they pay with B, you still get the $300 plus the tax, and they pay for the credit card processing fee and not you. So if your business is $30,000 per month, that's exactly how you're gonna keep all $30,000 in your own pocket at the end of the month. If your auto repair shop, your detailing business, vinyl wrap business, whatever you do in the car industry, if you want a free credit card reader exactly like this, if you do over $10,000, you can actually get one for free. All you have to do is click on that link down in the description below, and we can actually hook you up with one of these, and you can save all of that money in credit card processing fees every single month. So I'll see you guys over there. Peace.